Listen to me, son. My teachings here are not to entertain you, but to challenge you. My posts are not for the faint-hearted and lazy jacks, but for those willing to learn, change, make the necessary adjustments, and take charge of their lives and future. It will constantly spite you, challenge you, get you angry, force you to think, and bring you face to face with your current reality and position in life, causing you to change and make a positive U-turn, leading to your growth and transformation when embraced. I am not your friend. I am not here to pamper you, but to help you. My mission here is to transform you from a boy into a man. A man is known for his achievements, status, position, and results in life, not only for his beliefs and character. Be a person of results. No result, no respect in life. It's time to grow up. You are gradually getting too old to be living a life without any single achievement or visible accomplishments. What are the results of your life? Stop wasting away. With each passing day, you are getting closer to your demise. Make your life count. Be wise. Stay Putinized. Now that you have accepted the Brave Minds projects, the mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.